What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm excited to share with you all a kids winter clothing haul featuring some adorable pics from
Marks and Spencer.
and H&M. So just dive right in. So first up from Mark, and I got this cute thermals. You wanna come? Come. Gigi woke up as usual. Whenever I make a video, she always wakes up. So first up from Master, I got this cute adorable thermals for her, and these have got such a cute prints. See, and it's a set. These are so soft and so warm. So welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. So you will go to Mama's car.
Okay. And Gigi loves Elsa and Anna, and I got one with that too. So this is a Elsa and Anna thermal. Look at the amazing cute prints. And I've got this too. What?
I'm not a friend.
You're not a princess. Why? And this prince, the prints are so cute and adorable.
I'm not a princess.
And some more.
I'm a princess.
This is in a pack of two,
I'm not a
and these are in a pack of two. And let me tell you guys, these are incredibly soft and cozy. And these are incredibly soft and cozy and perfect for your little one during the winter. Next, we have the beautiful jacket. This beautiful jacket. This is also adorned with Elsa and Anna character. As I told you already, she loves
I love Elsa and Anna.
Yeah. And this is so cozy with its fur lining. You can see it. It's very cozy and perfect for the winters. See how cozy and soft it is. Gigi just loves this jacket. The jacket is actually a gift from my sister. Now let's just move on to the H&M finds. First, I'll show you this knitted set with the cute little bunnies. Isn't the print adorable? And the quality is also really very nice. It's very soft. Very soft. And next we have this cozy pile set. It is incredibly soft and comfy and perfect for lounging around the house on the chilly days. Last but not the least, we have the super soft and adorable bathrobe for kids. See how adorable it is. It is so cozy. It is perfect for the post bath and keep your little one warm after the bath. I almost forgot, I also picked up these luxurious cashmere hats, and these are so soft and amazing and so warm and cozy. Then you can wear this hats with any winter outfit. And there you have it guys, that concludes our kids clothing haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these adorable pics as much as I loved sharing that with you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
To my channel.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.